Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is July 20th, there we go, Wednesday when I'm recording this, and we've been seeing the market make some progress, so this is great. But we should be expecting and prepared for pullbacks at any time, liquidation breaks, whatever. There's all sorts of news that's coming out. In fact, this little burble that we had right up here today was more news about basically Google doing a 2-week hiring freeze. This last one was Apple saying that they were going to pull back and slow down on growth, and also not hire anymore and maybe lay off some people. So anything can happen. The market seems to be a little bit sensitive about labor news and stuff like that recently. And then, we did manage to get over the daily 50, but then just kind of keep in mind that we might be putting in a little bit of a gap here. So nothing major. I would imagine that dips should be viable kind of going forward. It's going to be challenging. It's going to be messy. We've been seeing that with individual stocks, but I think that's kind of what we're looking at. And then the one thing I wanted to mention was looking at the UVXY, which is the leverage ETF of volatility. And you guys can see that I've got this trend line on the daily chart that has worked out pretty well so far. And I've been saying that things work until they don't work. So even though that this trend line has worked many times before, there is always the chance that it doesn't work this time. So keep that in mind. We have also seen where prices undercut it and then moved. And I'm just kind of looking at, despite what the market has doing, despite what the S&P has been doing, the UVXY just hasn't really gone down. So I just kind of want to put it out there and say, you know what, if something happens to where we get a little bit of a spike in the UVXY, then I guess I wouldn't be surprised. So, maybe something like that. We've kind of seen this, but it just, like this thing should be down further if the way that the market has been rallying. So it just kind of makes me think we need to be a little bit careful in here, or just don't be surprised if something pulls back. And as I said, maybe those dips will be viable, but interesting to see where the UVXY is. So keep that in the back pocket and the back of your mind. All right, we'll catch you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.